Hi, I'm Gary Barnes, founder of Gary Barnes International, and I'd like to talk to you about preparation of a flexible budget. My belief is that budgets don't work, and primarily they don't work because they're always wrong, and we really don't like to be wrong. And the reason they're wrong is that we put finite numbers, we put exact numbers to a line item, and every month they are flexible. So let's say something like utilities. We may put down in a budget that we're going to allocate $50 for the utility line item. And we get the bill and it's $62.32. What do? We feel bad because it's wrong. And so the flexible budget is something that is going to be critical for all of us, both on a business and a personal experience. So creating a budget is more of creating a spending plan. And I had to do that for myself and my family because I have never had a traditional paycheck. I've had ups and downs and sideways, but even if you have that traditional paycheck, you're going to have variable expenses. And so what I did a number of years ago is create what I call a spending plan. The spending plan is what we do anyway. 100% of what comes in goes out. Now, we may put some of that into a savings account. We may put it in a different account for spending or investing in our businesses later on, but we allocate 100% of those resources. So, and that's really why I created what I now call the two-tier system. And it came out in my book called Spend and Grow Rich. And spending and growing rich, the question really is, we all spend, but some people spend and grow rich while others spend and grow poor. So what is the difference? The two-tier system, real briefly, is the first tier is about where all of those predictable dollars are going to go. So we have rent or mortgage, a car payment, life insurance, food, utilities, all those things that we know we're going to be allocating dollars to. Those are areas that we normally don't make a mistake in. But where we have a challenge is when we have excess dollars. And that's where the tier 2 comes in. So tier 1 is a dollar allocation. Tier 2 is a percentage allocation. And so what I suggest is choosing 8 to 10 things that you would like to have those excess dollars go to, including, by the way, debt reduction, since many Americans are still dealing and wanting and desiring to get out of debt. But the way that you put this into perspective is by doing a percentage allocation. You cannot overspend, and it will always work out that you will have everything going exactly where you were intending it for it to go. A side benefit is to do this when it's most logical, not emotional. People have asked me, if I win the lottery, when should I put a two-tier system together? And I said, before you bought the ticket. Because once you have bought the ticket and you win, all the emotions come up. So I hope these tips have helped you. Create a flexible spending plan for yourself and for your business. This is Gary Barnes, founder of Gary Barnes International.